Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the PDF Candy into your Windows. Okay, so PDF Candy, that is a very useful tool or application or software, and it is also for free and it is also very safe. So there's no need to worry if you're going to install or download and install the PDF Candy software. Okay, so I have here this PDF Candy. Okay, so once this is opened, you will find these tools, and it is a very useful tool. There are a lot of features in it. You can convert PDF to Word, Word to PDF, PDF to JPG, JPG to PDF, compress PDF, merge PDF, split PDF. So there are a lot of options in here. I mean, like all the options that you want to know and you want to make or you want to do for your PDF, you can simply do that from here. Now let's try one feature of this or one option. Let's try with this option PDF to JPG. Click on that. And then let's choose our PDF and click on open. So you just need to simply choose as to where you have saved your PDF and click on open. And now you just have to simply click on this option convert. And then all your files are successfully converted and saved to chosen folder. Open the folder to view the output files. And that's it. As easy as that, you have converted your PDF into a JPG file. Now let's try one more. Okay, let's try with this one. This option, PDF to this one, PDF to RTF. And then choose our PDF and click on open. Click on convert. Click on open folder. And that's it. So that's how you can easily use the PDF Candy. And then how you can download this is very easy. Open a browser. So type Chrome browser in the Windows search bar. Click on it. In the search bar, simply type pdfcandy.com. Hit enter. And you'll find this free download button. Click on that. And click on the free download. And the setup file will be downloaded. And once this is downloaded, you just need to simply click on the folder and then double click on it for the installation process. Click on OK for the English language. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next and then install it. But in my case, this is already installed, so I'm just going to cancel it. But in your case, you have to simply go on to install the application. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.